Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is April the 3rd, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market analysis where we are giving you all the news according to the charts. We're the only one in this space that is able to give you all our price predictions just by looking at the price bars and the volume. We're literally eliminating all of the confusion that so many other people place on their charts, and that's pretty much all you guys are worried about is where is prices going to go. Well, you came to the right area. HueFin News is the only place that's giving you that opportunity to see where we're expecting these cryptocurrency prices to go. We're not giving you a lot of hype, a lot of fluff, a lot of question marks. No, we look strictly at the price bars and the volume to tell you exactly where we're expecting these cryptocurrencies to go, because that's all that we're worried about anyway. We're all here trying to accumulate more Bitcoin or try to make a little bit more money in our pockets. So all the other news is irrelevant when it comes to price bars and volume. And if you guys are interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies, some other off topics that we may have in our particular business, come and join us at our Patreon page at HueFin News. You guys would definitely grasp more information. We will drop some nuggets, some tidbits on some of the things to pay attention to in the cryptocurrency space. And as well, if you're interested in any other cryptocurrency, you guys can definitely come to our Patreon channel, come into our private Facebook group, and you guys can definitely let us know which cryptocurrency you're interested in today. Okay, all that just for 10 cents a day. That is minimal compared to all the powerful information that you're able to get here on our particular space and not nowhere else. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started in our own cryptocurrency analysis for today. You guys can definitely tell that the cryptocurrency space has resumed to higher prices. The market continues to move higher, which is pretty good, but we're definitely not out the woods yet. We will definitely talk about that more as we get into each individual particular cryptocurrency. And currently you can see that the market cap is coming back up ever so slightly, $282.1 billion. Bitcoin dominance is still around 45%. But as I scroll down, you guys can see how we had a pretty good, fantastic day in the cryptocurrency space. 6.21 Bitcoin is up, 8.49 is Ethereum, 10.19 Ripple is up, and Bitcoin Cash is as well up 7.19%. Litecoin is having another fantastic day today, 12.78%. As we delve deeper into our analysis today, we'll see if the market will continue to move higher, or are we going to go back to the downside? Now let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. Bitcoin currently is trading higher, up 5.35%. Last trade was $7,414.80, and our analysis was for Bitcoin to slightly move higher, and it was just to go back to $7,200. You guys can see how the market has finally broke that $7,200 resistance area. So now we need to pay attention to where is going to be the next area that Bitcoin is going to come across some problems. Quick look at the 3-hour bars. So you guys can definitely tell that we have consolidation currently happening in Bitcoin on the 3-hour bar. Stockpile did come in on that last completed bar, but we still are noticing that the market is still giving us precursors of strength. So overall, we're still expecting Bitcoin to continue to move higher, but we're expecting the market to move maybe back up to $7,500, and then more stockpile come in the market, and then we'll move back down to an area of consolidation. Let's move it to a 1-hour bar real quick. So even looking at the 1-hour bar, we can see that the buyers are still interested in price around $7,280 all the way back up to $7,480. So we're still expecting that consolidation to occur in Bitcoin, if not even possibly moving higher. Okay, especially if that 1-hour bar closes towards the high of the bar. We're still looking for Bitcoin to move higher in price in our analysis for tomorrow. 6-hour bar though, you guys can see how we're getting weakness on this current price bar. If the bar closes the way that it looks now at the completion of it, then Bitcoin definitely runs the probability of moving a little bit lower, but we're not looking for an all-out move to the downside. If it does, $7,200 needs to hold that support, but overall we're still looking for this cryptocurrency to continue to move higher. Next resistance area will be in or around $7,600. We had a couple of 6-hour bars, couple of consolidation here in this particular background as well, so we're expecting that to continue to occur where we're trading right now. So now let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is up 8.24%. Last trade was $415.84, and we definitely have a push to go up bar being reflected today for Ethereum. That is a pretty good thing to see in the cryptocurrency space. We're still expecting Ethereum to continue to move higher on the daily price bars. Might just come up to $440. That is like another $25 to go. Looking at the 3-hour bars for Ethereum, we're still getting precursors of strength to be reflected in the market. If this current 3-hour bar closes towards the high of the bar, then we're still looking for Ethereum to continue to move higher in price. We're currently banging our heads right here against prior area resistance around $420. So we got to be real careful because the market can definitely switch on us around this point. But if the market closes towards the high of this bar and the light volume, then that definitely tells us that there's not that much selling occurring at that price. We'll be expecting Ethereum to continue to move higher. Might just come up to 420 and then move back to the downside. Okay. So now let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin is up 13.34%. Last trade was $134.23. I don't think anybody was expecting this type of bar that we had today for Litecoin. It's been quite some time that the market has been consolidating, 4 trading days exactly. Finally got a push to go a bar on high volume, which is pretty good to see. Market is, we're expecting this to come back up to $140 and around that price. But you guys can see here on the top of this bar is exactly where the market came in touch on this particular day for Litecoin. So now we're looking at the 3-hour bars for Litecoin, and we're still noticing precursors of strength on this particular market. So we're still looking for the cryptocurrency Litecoin to continue to move higher in price. First resistance area is going to be right there where it's trading now, $135. But then definitely the market could come up to $137.50. Those are all areas of resistance that we need to pay attention to. But currently the market is still giving us strength, especially if this current 3-hour bar closes the way that it does now. Expect Litecoin to continue to move higher. Okay. But as we conclude with this video and it changes, then expect the market to move lower. But right now, the market is still giving us precursors of strength, and we're looking for them to continue to move higher in price. So now the last one is going to be Ripple. So Ripple is up 11.91%. Last trade was around 55 cents. Daily price bar for Ripple. Again, we got the same push to go a bar just like we got with Litecoin. We have been consolidating for Ripple as well, but now we have a probable precursors of strength bar, a push to go up bar, which is a precursors of strength. We will be expecting Ripple to continue to move higher in price. We definitely got volume back in the move as well. So now we're looking at the 3-hour bars, and we have still strength in the market. Market found resistance though right there around 55 cents. So we got to be careful, but we still have strength in the market. So we're still looking for Ripple to move higher. 56 cents is going to be the first area of resistance, so you need to pay attention to that as it moves higher. But nevertheless, the market is still giving us precursors of strength, and the volume is light. So we actually might run across some resistance now in Ripple. But given the fact that we have strength coming in the background and the market continues to move higher, we're still expecting Ripple to move higher as well. Probably back up to 56 cents. And then we'll reevaluate where the market is going to go for Ripple. But definitely we still have strength in the market. So that's all we have for today, April 3rd, 2018. And a quick recap, market for the time being is still giving us precursors of strength. So we're still expecting market to move higher. But you got to be careful because we still have a huge downtrend occurring in the cryptocurrency space. So do not get fooled just because you see the market moving higher. It could definitely continue to move higher the next couple of trading days. So this is a pretty good opportunity to take short trades, but do not expect the market to move to all-time highs anytime soon. So the market is still giving us precursors of strength on the daily price bar. And as well, we're still seeing strength on the 3-hour bar. So currently the market is still aimed and poised to move higher in price. That is our analysis, but definitely it might not move that high because you saw on these charts that we're banging up against prior area resistance, and the movement to the upside can definitely run short. Okay, so we just want to put that on your radar as well. But currently the market, these price bars look good for higher prices. Okay, so that's all we have for today. If you guys want more information, more exclusive content, because you're not going to get this anywhere else, how simplistic, how easy it is to understand language analysis on these price bars, you need to come join us. I mean, seriously, you're not going to get this information anywhere else. We make it real simple to understand where it's going to go in the market. And not only that, our probability percentages is awfully high as well to tell you all where we're expecting these cryptocurrencies go. I mean, it's not expensive. 10 cents a day, $3 a month. You guys can come and join this exclusive group that we are forming at HueFin News on Patreon. So we look forward to seeing you all there. If you guys got any questions and comments, you guys can definitely share them in our private Facebook group. We're all there to make each one succeed, because you're not going to get this information anywhere else. A lot of people are stating that the cryptocurrency space is manipulated, which it is. We are not doubting that 100%. We are in agreement with that 100%. But you can follow and understand what the market is going to do. Once you understand what the manipulators are doing, you can play their game. That's what we're doing. We understand how to play the game, and we are lockstep with them, okay? Because we understand the next move that they're going to make, because we can read their footprints on these charts. That's why it's called the news according to the charts. We're the only one who's giving you all that ability to see it before it happens. That's all I have for today. Everyone, make sure you maintain profitability, and we look forward to seeing you all on our Patreon page. Have a good one.